events like these. NSS Cell is an active initiative of Bhaskaracharya College of Applied Sciences, which has been constituted to encourage the students to pursue their inner calling of selfless service. The aim of the cell is to instill in the students a deep sense of responsibility and commitment to the society. Hence, promoting the culture of volunteering. The cell has always been involved in various activities, programs, and awareness campaigns to serve the society. Youth for Seva, founded in April 2007, is a nationwide volunteering movement that inspires youth to volunteer and provides them with meaningful opportunities to serve the community. The goal of the organization is to support schools, destitute shelters, government hospitals, and other organizations in the social sector through volunteers who can help them mitigate some of their shortcomings and challenges. The organization aims to create positive change agents in the society. Its main focus areas are education, health, environment, and livelihood. Youth for Seva has been recently awarded with Rajyotsav Award, which is the second highest civilian award of Karnataka government. I would now like to request Dr. Amit Kumar to deliver the welcome address. Please, sir.
A very good morning, very good evening to all of you. I, on behalf of Bhaskaracharya College of Applied Sciences NSS program, welcome you all to this session, which is meant to promote the event called Suryathon. Thereby, we are trying to contribute for the people, for the children who have lost their parents in this COVID pandemic. I wish all of you please contribute through doing yoga, and please submit your video and in the app which is going to be explained in this session, and I'm sure thereby you will be able to contribute a little bit to the children who lost their parents in this COVID pandemic. So Aarti, please take the event forward. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much for taking up initiatives like this and organizing events. Now, I would like to request the participants again to please keep their microphones and camera off. It is also to inform you all that you can post your queries, if any, in the chat box. All the questions will be entertained at the end of the program. I now invite Ms. Nikita Kashyap to brief us about the Suryathon initiative. Please, Ms. Nikita.
Thank you, Aarti ma'am. Yeah. For some reasons, my video is not getting up, so it's okay. Okay, so hello everyone. I hope you all must have aware of this Suryathon and you have been hearing for a very, few of these days. So just I will not talk much about it since you already know. Just a brief about the Suryathon, and there's a special, cause which is attached to it. So I'll talk about that. So Suryathon is basically a virtual activity. It's in collaboration with multiple organizations, which are philanthropist organization, and which is basically to motivate the people to practice Surya Namaskar daily in their life. And while you make a habit, you can also contribute to a special cause which is attached to it, which we call it as Vidya Chetana. It's a special program of our organization. And we also had this, in previous year as well, where we, support the underprivileged students who cannot afford their education. But this year, under this Suryathon, we have focused our, the whole focus on the students who have lost their parents in this pandemic. So, this whole initiative, so I'll talk about how this is gonna help those students who will get this scholarship. So if you perform one Surya Namaskar every day, that will lead to 10 rupees in the scholarship amount. Okay, so one Surya Namaskar is equals to 10 rupees in the account of those students who are getting these scholarship. So likewise, every one of you till this month ends, you have to perform 250 Surya Namaskars every day. Like you in total, you have to give like 250 Surya Namaskar, and And for that reason, the amount you will be going to do, and it will gonna give these students 10 rupees of per Surya Namaskar. So as you all can get from this whole initiative, that's how important this initiative is and how interesting this sounds as well. So I think you all will definitely gonna be very be happy to part of this, and it's very enjoyable activity. And just by sitting at home, you're gonna make a difference in someone's life that can make a huge difference altogether. So from one college, we are expecting like 100 students must take part in this. And if we reach the number of students, like as in 100 students from one particular college, from your Bhaskaracharya college, you will be getting a certificate as a college who have actively participated in this whole Suryathon event. So you see, like the importance of certificate, the involvement of the students in getting the Surya Namaskar, it has its own health benefits. Will be talking about the health benefits as well. So you can actually get the essence of how important this is, and it's a whole win-win situation in both sides. So yeah, and you will be getting one code as well. And the chat box, you will be getting one code for specifically for your college. And while you register yourself and download the app as well, you will be getting you have to enter this code to get the free services of this app, to get free registration of this whole Suryathon. And this you can do Surya Namaskar for free. And yeah, so you'll be getting it in the chat box, as you can see. And yeah, so earlier it was till 21st of Jan, as you also can see that that's the grand finale, but we have extended it till this whole June month ends. So you can do this whole Surya Namaskar, this 250 Surya Namaskar, till we get this, till we get the end of this June month. So I hope you got this idea. And now I would like to invite Shruti ma'am, who will be talking about the various, importance of Surya Namaskar and how you can do it by yourself. Okay, so yeah, over to Shruti ma'am. Thank you. Shruti ma'am, you're not audible to us.
Hello.
Can you hear me now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Thank you so much, Nikita, for this opportunity. Good evening, everybody. I'm Shruti Prasad. I'm from Bangalore. I'm a trained yoga instructor. From 2015, I've been practicing yoga. I am a self-practitioner, and also I teach yoga in various corporates and also in a few of apartments and individual clients. So I'm very glad to be a part of this. This is for a very good cause, and I'm very glad to be a part of it. Thank you for Nikita for reaching me out for this cause. So today I will be, of course, talking about Surya Namaskara. How are we going to practice, and what are the benefits, and what are the steps involved in Surya Namaskara? If any one of you are very new to it, I agree that there are various styles of Surya Namaskara. We don't say anything is right or wrong. Each one of them have its own benefits. There are various Vinyasa Surya Namaskaras, Ashtanga Surya Namaskara, and the general Surya Namaskara, which is of 12 steps. So when Nikita mentioned in her talk that when you complete one round of Surya Namaskara, you will be raising 10 rupees. So that one round of Surya Namaskara will include 10 steps. So that is how it is going to be. And you have to practice Surya Namaskara in light or empty stomach. That is a very important factor. So preferably early in the morning is very good to practice Surya Namaskara. And make sure you wear very comfortable clothes, and make sure you do not stiff your body. Follow right breathing pattern for each step, which I'll be going to show you a slide and explaining it in a right way. And do not pressurize yourself or bend too much or bend backward too much or injure yourself. First few days, it'll be a little rigid. Your body will not be used to it. So you will have a little rigidity in your body. As and when you do, you will have a lot of flexibility and great health benefits from Surya Namaskara. As Nikita mentioned, that you will at least have to do 250 Surya Namaskaras in a month. So if you practice same for like around 20 days, I think you can definitely, complete the target, which he mentioned actually. So there is initially Surya Namaskara prayer. I'll just share my screen. 1 second. Can somebody, enable me to share the screen? Whoever is the host.
Nikita, are you there?
Nikita madam, you can make Shruti madam as the co-host so that she can share the screen.
Yes, sir. Yes. Yeah, Shruti ma'am, go ahead.
Can I go ahead? I'll just try now.
Yeah.
Give me a second. Yeah, I can do that now. Hope you all can see my screen. Can any one of you confirm that if my screen is visible?
It is visible now.
Okay, okay. So before starting anything, we will start the prayer. So this is the Surya Namaskara prayer. You can maybe note it down, or maybe I can share this file with you guys later once I finish the explanation on Surya Namaskara. So the prayer goes like this: Hiranmayena patrena satyasyapihi tammukham Tatvam Pushan Apavruno Satya Dharmaya Drishtaye. So this is the Ishavasya Upanishad, which we are going to chant before starting Surya Namaskara. So this is the sun salutation prayer. So this is the step 1. Step 1 is Pranamasana, joining both the palms together, standing in the straight line, knees straight, back straight, and shoulders backward. You have to come to the edge of your mat, the front of your mat, before you start Surya Namaskara, so that the process will be easier and you will not go beyond your yoga mat. Make sure you have a very stable yoga mat so that you do not slip and have an injury. Have a nice yoga mat and wear comfortable clothes. So the step 1 is Pranamasana. Exhale and relax. First, you have to adopt Namaskara Mudra. Hands, keep your hands parallel to the ground, touch your thumb and close your eyes and imagine sun in front of you. The step 2 will be Hasta Uttanasana, raising your hand, bend a little backward and inhale. So in Surya Namaskara, breathing is very important. As you're stretching your body upwards, it is always inhale. When you're bending down or contracting your body, it is always exhale. And once you inhale and bend back, stay there for a second and slowly exhale and bend. Initial days, you will not be able to touch your hand to the ground. It will be only through your knee or to your ankle maximum. Or if your body is definitely, if it is flexible, you can definitely touch down. But do not force yourself. Make sure you practice in your baby steps. let it go slowly. It's okay. The first day you can touch only your knee. The second day you will definitely be able to touch your shin bone at least. So this step 3 is Padahastasana. You have to bend forward, exhale and tuck in your stomach and touch down. Step 4 will be Ashwa Sanchalana. Here in Surya Namaskara, this is balancing of the body. So what we do is every first, third, fifth, seventh, these rounds, the odd rounds of Surya Namaskara, we take the right leg back and put the right leg forward. So initially, for the first round of Surya Namaskara, put the right leg back. This is called Ashwa Sanchalana, where you need not to put your palms totally down, touch wherever you can and look forward. Next is Dandasana, the plank pose. Many of you, if you had gone for a gym or something, you would have done this. Your body should be like a plank, core tight, glutes tight, look forward. This is Dandasana. Every asana, make sure you hold on at least for a second, which will have a lot of impact on your body. And you can definitely see the changes once you practice 21 days continuously. Each day, you can practice 12 rounds of Surya Namaskara. So what I'm explaining is round 1. It has 12 steps in it. So the next is Ashtanga Namaskara. Initially, I have seen my students just sleeping on the ground. Initially, it will be the same, but then your Ashtanga only is gonna touch to the ground. That is your toes, your knee, your chest, your palm, and your chin. These are going to touch the ground, and rest your hip and stomach is up. Initially, it will take time, but definitely you can practice this. It's a very good asana for back pain. The 7th step is Urdhva Mukha Shvanasana or Bhujangasana. See, as I mentioned, whenever you are stretching your body upward, it is inhale. You'll have to raise your head and trunk, make your spine concave, arch back, stretch your neck, and keep your knees off the ground so that you'll have a good arm strength if you practice every day. And step 8 is Adho Mukha Shvanasana, which is also known as downward dog pose. You must have seen dog stretching. So this is the same pose. You will have to lift your body and push the head down and raise the buttock, look at the navel and press the heel down, completely down. This is very helpful to reduce the rigidity, fat stomach. Each step of Surya Namaskara is very beneficial for each and every part of your body. Step 9 is Ashwa Sanchalana, the same as step 3. You're again giving your right leg forward and then hands touching the ground, relaxing your left leg and look forward. And you will have to, on the step 10, it's Padahastasana again, left leg again forward. You have to bend, exhale completely from your stomach, tuck in your stomach so that you can reach down. You can hold this position for at least 30 counts. Hasta Uttanasana. So you must be seeing, we are getting back to the first few steps here. So this is how the sun salutation works. It is very easy to remember. In again, Hasta Uttanasana, as I told, you'll have to arch your back, but do not force it in the initial days. Do as and how you're comfortable. And then the final step is Pranamasana. Relax yourself, join both your hands and release. So these are the 12 steps of Surya Namaskara. There are a lot of benefits once you practice Surya Namaskara. As you can see my screen, it increases the blood circulation, tones the muscle, activates all the systems in your body. It balances hormones. People who are suffering with PCOS, thyroid, diabetes, everything, if you are constant in your practice, all these things can be taken away from your body. You will be with ease, not diseased. You'll be at ease. So there are a lot of health benefits. The whole of your body is worked out when you do one round of Surya Namaskara. So if you practice 12 rounds, they are really good. And this Surya Namaskara prevents hair loss, and it will really bring glow on your face. And it also helps in weight loss because the whole of your body is used. And it is also very useful in curing insomnia. So with all this, I will end the explanation in one quote, which I would like to tell. With practicing all this, if you are a beginner, remember one thing, Sthiram Sukham Asanam. That is, bend or give an effort to wherever you're comfortable. Do not overdo it. Once you overdo it, you are abusing your body. So that should not happen. You will have to do it as and how you can, and definitely by the day, like a week or so, you will be a pro in doing Surya Namaskara. But this is the very good asanas, which is if it is inculcated on a daily basis, it is excellent. It will just take 20 minutes to practice Surya Namaskara. So if you have a busy schedule, work schedule, you can spare 20 minutes in the morning to practice this. Yes, so this is about it. Let me know if anybody has any query. Maybe I can definitely share this file with you all so that it will be handy for you all to practice Surya Namaskara. Unmute yourself and ask questions, or you can drop your questions in the chat pod. I'll be definitely helping you all in understanding more if you have any questions.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yeah.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for such a wonderful session. I'm sure we are going to be benefited by this session.
Yeah.
So, ma'am, it was planned to have all the queries at the end of the session. So,
All right.
So can we have that at the end?
Yeah, sure. Shouldn't be a problem at all.
Okay. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you. Thank you, everybody. Thank you, Aarti. Thank you, Nikita.
Thank you. Okay. Now I would like to invite Mr. Manoj Biswal, Client Partner Life School, and an application instructor to start with the talk. Please, sir. Mr. Biswal.
Yep. Thank you, Aarti. Namaste to all, and namaste, Shruti ji. That was a beautiful presentation, and that actually set us up really well to begin our presentation.
Thank you.
So I
Thank
have
you so much.
no problem, ma'am. Pawan Sai, who is one of my colleagues, and he's going to do the presentation. And I'll start a little bit of background. I think Vinay ji, Nikita ji, Shruti ji, all of you, Amit ji, you guys touched upon a few aspects of Suryathon. So I'll give you a little bit of more background so it becomes more relevant. So Suryathon actually started as an idea like 3-4 months back. And when we thought about, bringing in, the awareness about yoga and Surya Namaskar in public at large, right? But to do something like this, right, at this scale, you need the right kind of partners, right? And that is where we started talking to various partners, which started off with Ministry of External Affairs and ICCR, which is the Cultural Relations Council, so Indian Council for Cultural Relations. So they were like sort of our guiding force to take this message not only throughout India but across all embassies in and around the world. The second partner which we had was Center for Soft Power. Center for Soft Power works with ICCR and the Ministry of External Affairs to actually spread the message of Indian culture yoga and Surya Namaskar being a part of it. Then we partnered with Youth for Seva, which I think all of you have already heard about it. The cause which Youth for Seva is working on, supporting children, unfortunate children who have lost either one or both their parents to COVID, was very special for us. And when we saw that we could tie a cause of Suryathon, where not only you are making yourself healthier, but you're trying to make a change to these children's lives. These children will need enough money to finish off their education. And I think all the support which we are getting from around the country is really, really humbling. A lot of corporates have come across and they have said that they have committed a lot of money to us. Not only that, I think someone touched upon the point about every Surya Namaskar you do on life cycle is going to equate to rupees 10. So one Surya Namaskar is equal to rupees 10. So guys, you can imagine the power of it, right? Right now, we are seeing around thousands of sets being done every day as we speak, right? Thousands and thousands of sets. Now that is the power of the cause. That is the power of being healthy. Given the pandemic and COVID situation, all of us are unfortunately stuck at home, right? And going to gyms, going for a run, going for a bike ride, it has become very difficult. So why not Surya Namaskar? While you do Surya Namaskar, not only you are getting healthier, like Shruti ma'am touched upon, but you are also contributing to this special cause. So with this, I'll start the process of taking you through the registration process first.
We also have our elderly care facility. We have.
Okay. So you to do is take a note of the registration site, I think Vinayji has already put it in the group chat, which is cycle.com/Suryathon. As soon as you are here and you click on individual registration, so you can go ahead and start your registration process. Very simple. First name, last name, mobile number, gender, email address, and organization. So you can put your college's name, or if you're working for any company, you can put that. And don't forget to put the code, because we are trying to make this registration free for you. So the code which you guys are going to use is BHK21. I'll repeat, BHK21, Bhaskaracharya BHK21. So this is the code which you are going to use. The registration for you will be free. The normal registration charge for this particular event is 150. So remember, all the proceeds are going to Youth for Seva. So when you spread the word, we would encourage donations or paid registrations as well. Okay. So once you finish off the registration, immediately you will get a SMS or an email confirming the registration process. So given the changes in TRAI rules and regulations, we are seeing a little bit of delay here and there with the SMS. And that is why we encourage you to use the correct email address. So just in case you do not receive the SMS confirmation or the OTP to log in time, you can get the OTP via email. Okay, so this completes the registration process. I think, Pawan, we can switch over to the app view on your phone.
Yes, 2 minutes, please.
Sure, no problem.
And sorry, I have joined from my mobile also. Can anyone make co-host? There is another account called Pawan Sai.
I think we can request Nikita ji.
Sorry, sir.
Nikita ji.
Please come again.
There is another account named Pawan Sai. It's in the bottom of the list, I think. If you could make that as a co-host, please.
Okay, sure.
Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Perfect. Appreciate it, ma'am. So I think, Pawan, you can go ahead. So as soon as you finish the registration, you get a confirmation SMS or email, like I mentioned. And the SMS actually contains the download link of the application, which is called Lifecycle. As you can see on the screen, the spelling is Lifecycle. We are a proud Made in India app, and we have been in this, sort of sector for the last 18 months. And so you can actually go ahead and directly download the app as well, just in case you do not get the SMS. But remember, as you complete your registration process, your entry is confirmed with the database, so you can use your mobile number to log in. So go ahead, Pawan, you can open the app, and let's actually take our guests through the login process. So you can log out.
Give me 1 second. I'm doing that.
Okay, if you're having issues, let me know. I'll go ahead and share.
No issue. I'm doing that.
Okay.
You can see my screen, right?
No, I can't.
Okay.
If you're having difficulties, let me go ahead. Okay.
Showing that it is sharing. Okay.
Sure, no
Hello.
problem. Okay, can you see my screen? Can
Yeah,
Vinay
I
ji
can.
or Nikita ji, can any one of you confirm if my screen is visible?
Yep, it is visible.
Yes, it's visible, sir.
Perfect. So as soon as you open the application, you will see a sign in.
Sorry, disconnected again.
Yes, it's not visible again, sir.
There is something going on in the Zoom.
Give me a second.
No, don't try anymore. Don't
Okay.
try, because if you keep trying,
Now
I
it's
keep trying.
visible.
It is
Now
gonna be
it's
problem.
visible.
Yeah. Mhm. So Pawan, let's go ahead.
Yep.
Okay, go ahead and log in. Okay, so as soon as you enter the registered mobile number, you will get an OTP. Okay, perfect. So as soon as you log into the application like this, the first thing you see here is the timeline of the application. So what the timeline shows you is everything related to Suryathon. So you will start seeing people doing Surya Namaskars. If you start scrolling down, Pawan, I'll just take the guests through that. You will see people completing milestones, say like someone has already completed 250 Surya Namaskar, someone is completing 500 sets already, someone is already reaching 1000 sets. So you can see the people completing that. You can see those star athlete cards. Yeah. So I think multiple people are completing, so you can give them shabash. So if you hold on one card, yeah. So for example, Puja C. So as you can see, if you see someone's card on the screen, you can actually go ahead and give them a shabash. What like is to Facebook or Instagram, so on and so forth. Shabash is to Lifecycle. So if you click on the shabash, you can actually see who has given a shabash to Puja C's activity. Can you click that? Yeah. So you can see how many people have started, giving shabash. So this is a very engaging sort of moment as well, as soon as you complete some sets. Let's go back. And not only that, whoever receives this card, they can also go ahead and share. So if you click on share, yeah, you can go ahead and share this card on social media as well. And this is a very good, sort of card to share with your friends and family, saying that, hey, I've been participating in this and doing so many Surya Namaskars, right? Let's go to the top of the screen. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, perfect. So as soon as you come to the timeline, as I showed you, you will see those cards and activities, so on and so forth. The first card which you see is the Suryathon card. You click on the Suryathon card and tap on the Suryathon card. As soon as you tap on the Suryathon card, you actually come into the league homepage. So because this, we have set it up as a league, so you will come into the league homepage. So within the league homepage, you can see a lot of tiles or buttons, so to say, right? And in those tiles and buttons, we have certain features which I'm going to take you guys through. So the first one is record activity. So if you click on record activity point, it's a very simple thing. You click on select pace. Okay, so there is a slower pace and there is a faster pace. Like Suti ma'am was saying, take it slow when you start off, and as you get stronger and as you get acquainted to it, you can start speeding up the pace. So this is, you can, we would recommend somewhere around 24 to 30 second pace, or somewhere between 18 to 30 second. You can start off, and actually what happens is you can start changing the pace midway, or you are doing first set at a different pace. You can change the pace for the second set, so on and so forth. So you can keep doing that. So let's choose 12 seconds per set for this demo. On.
I selected, I think it's some kind of issue.
Is your network slow?
My network is okay, it's good. So it's,
Okay.
yeah.
Okay, click on select theme. Okay, Surya Namaskar mantra. So Surya Namaskar mantra is going to, if you select this theme, while you are doing the sets, the mantra is being chanted to help support you keep focus on the Surya Namaskar sets. Like Shruti ma'am was pointing out, there are 12 Bij mantras, and all those mantras will be chanted when you go through the sets. You just have to click on start.
So as we are in the call, so it won't start, right? So
Okay, click on start.
no, it is. I'm sharing the screen, right? So
Yeah. So if you what you can do is you can click on start. This is for others. What will happen is as soon as you click on start, the recording will start. As many sets you want to do, you can finish doing those sets. After you finish that, you click on finish and save. As soon as you finish and save, your activity will be shared to the application. Let's go back. Okay, the next one is click on invite. So as soon as you are part of the league, we would encourage you to start inviting your friends and family. So you can use these mediums to start WhatsApp, Facebook, LinkedIn, Instagram, so on and so forth. So you already, a piece of poster is available to you. If you scroll down, there is a text as well. So click on copy on the text for WhatsApp. Let us choose WhatsApp, please.
Okay.
Scroll down, click on copy. Click on share.
So this is a demo mobile. I don't have WhatsApp.
Okay, so just click on share. As soon as you click on share, the WhatsApp contacts will show up for you guys, and you can go ahead and share it. Okay, let's go back. The next piece is donations. So the donations tab will take you to the donations screen, where we are receiving donations from multiple places to support this cause. So if someone is interested to make a donation, you can share this link with them as well. And not only we receive donations from within India, but also from outside India. So there is a facility to receive donations in USD as well. Okay, let's go back. Okay, next one is leaderboards. So as soon as you finish your activity and start saving your activity, you will start seeing yourself on the leaderboard. So for example, the league is already started. So you'll go to the league individual leaderboard and you can start looking for your position on the leaderboard. As soon as you start doing sets, you can keep an eye on your performance on the leaderboard as well. Okay, let's go back. Same way, you can also form teams and you can go to the team leaderboard where you can see your own teams as well. I'll show you how to form teams as well. So there are a lot of teams which have been formed and people are participating as a team of 5 as well. And go back. Let's go back to the home screen of the app. Yeah, you can stay here. One key feature, the other pieces which I'm sure you guys will explore, there is a learn tile where you can learn some basics about Surya Namaskar, some basics about nutrition plans. You can do that. Then the next one, you have a Go Social tile where you can actually post a selfie or take a picture which you want to share on the timeline or on your social media. You can do that. The most important tile, the last tile which I want to talk about is the quick help tile. Just in case you have any questions or you are having any issues, please choose the quick help tile, choose the relevant question and click on submit. We will get your issue registered into our system and someone from within the team will reach out to you shortly. Right? Just in case any of these questions doesn't suit your problem, click on others and that should show you the, you can fill up as per your need. Let's go back. Yeah, let's go back to the home screen once again. Yeah, right where we started. So I'll show you guys just one more thing. So on the top, I think you can see 3 tabs. One is following, my activities and my teams. Following is the public timeline where you not only see your own activities, but your friends, colleagues, participants of Suryathon, their timeline cards, so on and so forth. So you start seeing all of that. My activities tab will show you your own activities, whatever you have been doing throughout the day, throughout the week, throughout the month. The third tab in here is called My Teams. So this is where you can actually create a team. So once you are here, go ahead and click on Create Team. You choose a team name, select the league. Select the league as Suryathon 2021, right? And what you can do is add participants. So you can add up to 5 participants, including yourself. You can add participants from within Lifecycle. Like if you already have friends and families within the Lifecycle app, you can see them and invite them. Just in case you don't have folks already on Lifecycle, you can invite them from the contact list. Okay. So you can finish adding the 4 members and click on create. As soon as you do that, the team is formed. They just have to accept your invite. So where do they accept your invite? And go back to the home screen again. Under my teams, you see the bell icon. There will be a notification saying that, hey, Pawan or Manoj or someone from your team has invited you to be a part of the team. So you'll see an invite like request, just accept that request and the team will be formed. That's about it. Okay. Any questions we can take, or Nikita ma'am, back to you. So after that, if there are any questions, we can take after that.
Thank you, sir, for briefing us about the application and making us understand this application so well. It is inform you all that Professor Balram Pani, our principal, Bhaskaracharya College of Applied Sciences, has joined us. Thank you, sir, for joining us. We wholeheartedly welcome you. Now, I would like to invite Principal Sir to share with us his words of wisdom. Please, sir.
Thank you, Aarti. Good evening to all. And this is the program for related towards the COVID-19. And everybody whosoever is trying towards to help means those who are really suffering from the corona. And this is the really, it is the big thing. Means this means it is the basic human nature that okay means whenever somebody else is in trouble, then we should give a helping hand. means it is not, those who have already suffered, means they are not at the mercy of us, but only they need the helping hand. If you will give the helping hand, then can set up their own life. So this is the Suryakiran, means whatever it is, means right now, means what it was in the talk, means I find two things very important. That is the Surya Namaskar, means the different steps, aspects of the Surya Namaskar, as well as to help the needy person. Means yourself, you will immunize yourself and you will be very strong in health and in mind also, because Surya Namaskar, it will help to strengthen your health as well as your mind also. And you will have to concentrate, you will have to focus somewhere else, means wherever you want, you can focus because of this Surya Namaskar. And simultaneously, you are also helping towards the, means those who are really needy person at this moment. And this is the also, means whenever you are starting from the 15th June and you will be ending at 21st June, when 21st June, it is the International Yoga Day. And it is our basic culture. Means the earlier days, means everybody was saying that everybody was moving away from this yoga. But right now, everybody is coming towards the yoga, because this is the importance. The importance of the yoga means now the people are understanding. Because whenever anything else, whatever it is, first of all, you will have the proper knowledge. If you don't have the proper knowledge, then many controversies and many things, many comments and many negative things will come out. So before commenting anything else, you will have to have better knowledge of that particular thing. So that's why yoga, means whenever the yoga was there, means nobody was understanding it properly. That's why they were saying something else. Right now, in the few days back, there was in the allopathy and the Ayurvedic, we need not to go for that controversy, because wherever there is any controversy, any argument, it is the wastage of the time and energy. You will focus ourselves what is better for us. And we are the educated persons and we are in the educational institutions. We should know what is better for us. And once it is you are understanding all these things, then definitely will move ahead. Means here, this is, means whenever the talk was going on, means last 5 minutes I was here, I was listening. Means it is the very big thing. Means here I am saying that those who are participating here, they must realize what is going on in our surroundings. So I can say this type of help should come forward. Means those people who are helping, they should come forward, and this type of seminars or whatever it is, means whether you can say it is a seminar or a webinar or whatever terminology you can say, means this time of counseling should come up very frequently, and definitely I think it will be a great help to the, not only to the suffering people, towards the society and towards the nation also as a whole. So you have invited me because I was late, means at the starting point I could have joined, but at the time I was in the selection board, so therefore I couldn't join. So this is my apologies to you, and definitely this type of functions will be carried out, and the 7 days functions will be carried out. Then it is a great thing. I think a best of luck to you all, and definitely it will be a great success. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir, for your kind words. Now I would like to take up the query session now. Any queries you can please post in the chat box, or you can unmute yourself and ask. Any queries? Okay, so I could not see any questions in the chat box. I have a question actually. Is Shruti ma'am there? I have a question to ask her.
Actually, Shruti ma'am has a class, so she left the session.
Oh, okay, no worries.
But you can tell me, ma'am, I can ask and get back to you.
Thank you so much, Nikita. I'll tell my query to you and we can have a discussion over that. So since we don't have any questions, so I would like to invite Dr. Amit Kumar to please extend a vote of thanks. Please, sir.
Thank you, Aarti. Thank you. So I, on behalf of NSS unit of Bhaskacharya College of Applied Sciences, would like to thank Shruti Prasad ma'am for explaining the importance of Surya Namaskara and elaborating the correct way of doing this in a very scientific way. So thank you very much, ma'am. So we will be extending this thanks to Shruti Prasad ma'am, and I am also thankful to Pawan Sai sir for explaining the this app, Life Cycle app, which will help us to participate in the Suryathon. And at last, I would like to thank Nikita madam and Youth for Seva organization. We have been collaborating a lot in these days and hope this collaboration will continue like this. So thank you all. I also thank all the participants and wish that they will contribute to this Suryathon event actively. Thank you very much. Aarti?
Thank you so much, sir. So that was all for the day. It's a wrap. The feedback link has been shared in the chat box. Please follow the link to fill up the feedback come attendance form. It's a request to you all to fill up that form. And we are going to end this event now. Thank you so much for joining us.
Thank you. Namaste ji.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Namaskar.